Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another tutorial. It's Sunday tutorial time, isn't it? Yes, it's another tutorial. So today I'm gonna be covering in this tutorial one important question about finding the right niches or what exactly the niche on ZAZZLE, because I think I have made few of the videos about the ZAZZLE. I'm gonna leave the complete playlist of them in the card section above if you want to check it out. But still some people have doubts regarding what exactly the niche is and how to actually target them and all that. So I'm gonna be hopping on my laptop in a second and I'm gonna show you my method of finding the niches. Now there are so many ways in which you can find the niches. It's kind of like unique in their own aspect. Whichever method you want to pick, it's your choice. So I'm going to be showing my own method to you on how to find the niches. Maybe you would see some other people showing you different way to find the niches. That's completely fine. Everyone has their own way to find it. So I'm going to be showing you mine. Before going to consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And if you are following me so far, you know that I upload daily videos. And if you haven't subscribed it, please do subscribe to it. I really appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. And thank you so much for all the guys who have subscribed to me and who keeps on watching my videos on a daily basis, or maybe they watch my videos and whatever frequency they want to, but I'm extremely grateful for that. And consider hit the bell icon as well, because whenever I upload it, you'll be get notified about it. The resources to help you make more money, the link is in description box below. Or you could simply go to the Globo Creative, check out the freebie section, download it, and also subscribe to an exclusive email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. The link is in description box below. You can subscribe to it. It will going to deliver you the exclusive content regarding making money online and so much more. So let's dive to laptop and the process begins. On the ZAZZLE, you can see very well the homepage of the ZAZZLE. Now we will going to proceed the different ways in which you can probably find the niche ideas. Now there are so many ways in which you can do it. Now some people also find the right kind of niches from the other websites like the Amazon, or even simply Googling it. I'm going to be showing you my way of finding the niches. Now always way of finding the niches, it may be different for some other people, but yeah, that's completely normal, and whichever method suits fine and okay with you and get you the results, you can go with that kind of method. So on the ZAZZLE homepage itself, you could see the very well the first niche I want to tell you guys. On the homepage of itself, whatever platform you're going with the niches, they will always going to show off the products that are either their best sellers or either are the trended niches. These kind of things will going to be popular on the very first homepage of that particular platform. Since we are looking for a ZAZZLE, on the you can see on the very first page you could see this joy. This is a throw pillow, and here is the mug. Here is the golf balls, again the golf balls, and the tote bags. The bag is there, then the wrapping paper is there, then the photo block is there. So you could see that these are the products that are maybe trending right now, maybe are in the best sellers. You could get the idea that these kind of products sell amazingly well if you're going for them. Now, another thing I want to talk about that. What you could see on the mug over here, it's written the thankful. That means it's a trending topic. Thanksgiving is around the corner. It's on 25th November. So people are purchasing for the Thanksgiving products for the gifts to send their loved one. So that's why this design is in trending. So this is a trending topic. You could very well go with the trending niche or with the evergreen, whatever choose to you. Now this one is a baby. That means this is a kind of like a baby shower kind of home decor item, because baby shower, I think it's happened almost entire year. So you could get the sales all throughout the year of the baby shower. And this one is a Christmas tree, guys. You could see the different colored Christmas tree are there. This one is also a trending niche on the gift wrapping paper, because Christmas is around the corner, so people are ready to send the gifts to their loved ones. So that's why this kind of designs are popular. So this is the very first page. You can get the idea. If you scroll down, you're gonna see the customer favorites. These are the products that are selling well amazingly right now. Calendar, because we are almost about to reach to the end of the year and people would be purchasing the calendars for 2022. So this is the popular product right now. It's a trending product, more trending around the end of the year or maybe the beginning of first few months of the new year. Okay. The same way you could see the other kind of this ones. Ornaments sell amazingly well at the time of holidays on Zazzle. You could see the happy holidays, and this one is a trending niche because it's related to holidays. It could be for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, or for whatever you could see. Since it's also the feast mode, so you could see that all these are kind of like a trending niches right now because the holidays is there. Like it's almost there. We are in the October. Halloween is about to come soon, so people are already purchased the Halloween products, and they are ready to prepare for the Christmas, for the Thanksgiving. So they are getting the shop products from that. So you get the idea from the very first home page of the Zazzle what's selling right now. These are the wrapping papers. You could see the different kinds of designs. This is a Christmas one again, guys. This one is also Christmas. This one is also Christmas. This one is the photo that is related to the templates. Scroll down, you're gonna see these are the evergreen niches. Invitations will going to sell all throughout the year. So this is your niche, guys. Okay. Wedding is a niche. Wedding is a complete niche. You could create the wedding invitation, bridesmaid gifts, groomsmen gifts, or parents gifts. You could even prepare the party supplies. The people would be needing the paper napkins, paper cups, or even the different kinds of the favor bags, and all those kind of gift items would be popular. So wedding is a one niche. It's a complete entire niche on Zazzle, and people do purchase a lot of the items in the wedding. One thing I'm going to tell you guys, if you're comparing the Zazzle with the Redbubble, you are doing a huge mistake over here, because on the Redbubble you rarely sold any wedding niches. You rarely sold anything on the Redbubble, but on the Zazzle, the wedding is an entire niche. You could make the wedding invitations, different kinds of invitation cards, envelopes. There is a lot more. Even the postcards there in the wedding. Another niche you could target is the baby shower. Now these are kind of like an event based niche. Now one thing I'm going to tell you, niches are divided into several different types. One is the holiday or seasonal based niches that you could say is a Thanksgiving, the Halloween, or the Christmas, or the New Year. So these are the holiday based or season based niches. Another one is the event based niches. So these are the event based, that is the wedding and the baby shower. These are the events that people will going to have in their life, and these could be evergreen, although you can see some months of the year you would be getting the more sales, and in the other part of the year you would be getting a little bit less sales, but these are the events. Another niche that I have is the kind of like your own artistic style that you could see over here. It is your own artistic style. Now this one is a product is trending because it's a Christmas and it's a Christmas stocking, so it's popular. But you could see the design over here. It's a stripe pattern, so you could have your own artist, maybe a watercolor, maybe a stripe pattern, maybe a textures, patterns, glitters. So it is your own artistic style. That is also a niche. Another thing is your hobby based niche ideas. For example, let me give an example. If you love animals, okay, and you love having the pet at your home, that may be a hobby or may not be, but that's what is coming in my mind for right now. So let's take, you love having a pet at your home, you love playing with them, that's your hobby. So that means that is your niche. You could create the animal related pictures or animal related niches. You could target them, have the different kinds of pets, cat, rabbits, and all those kind of animals. Another kind of niche you could see over here is depending more over the kind of color. Now people do purchase a lot of the color base. Some people prefer the white, some people prefer the rose gold. Like if the girls are there, they would more likely to prefer the pink color, the rose gold kind of colors. And if the men is there, they're gonna prefer the more kind of like a blue or masculine color, so they're gonna prefer more kind of color. So these are the color based niches. So another thing, you could also go with the minimalistic niches where it's kind of like a minimal design. Not much graphics are there. It's quite simple, quite straightforward. Now you could see is a complete wedding suit over here. People purchase a lot on the Zazzle, so people purchase a complete wedding suit. If they like this particular invitation, they're gonna purchase this one as well, this one, and complete one. So this is a perfect match, Zazzle Live. Halloween is around the corner, so that's why it's popular. Trending niches. The photo gifts are already popular all throughout the year. Today's moment, and you could just scroll down and see much more over it. Another way to find the niches, guys, you just need to go to this section. Now you could see the gift section would be popular because since it's the time of the holidays, so you could see the perfect gift in this category, like the customer favorites. You could go over that, what customer have favorites. You could get that what are the best selling products, and from that you could find your own niche. You could also see the personalized gifts for him or her. If you're targeting a female, if you're targeting a male, kids, babies, toddler, mom, dad, so this is also a niche. If you're making any product related to mom, it's also a niche. Similarly for the dad, if you're creating a home decor items, it could be a niche for the holidays. So niches are so many kinds of niches, guys. It's not just limited to single that you're creating a floral or an animal pattern. No, it's a lot more there in the niches. You could also see what's trending. If you want to go with the trending niches, you could see the trending products. Now this is the trending products: the mugs, stickers, wrapping paper, storage bags, and these are also the quite common. You could see most of them are having the fall design because fall is a trending niche right now. And another one is the birthday invitation. Birthday invitation is kind of like selling all throughout the year because it's an evergreen niche as well, and evergreen product as well. Similarly, the case of the wedding invitation. Wedding invitation will going to sell almost all through the entire year. Same with the business cards. Business niche is a separate niche, is a complete separate niche on ZAZZLE. You could make the business cards, business logos, and all the business supplies and accessories for the office and school supplies. Similarly with the baby shower. You could also see the trending independent designers that are popular on the ZAZZLE. Another method to find the niche, let me show you guys. This one, guys, this one is also your niche. If you're targeting for the Christmas, it's a niche. You could see what kind of products are popular at the time of Christmas and you could very well target them. So let me just click over here. So you could see the holiday Christmas cards are popular, Christmas gifts, Christmas decor, gift wrapping papers, and a lot more is there popular in the Christmas. Similarly, you could target the invitations and cards. You could see the invitations, what kind of invitations are popular, or you could target. These are your niches, guys, based on the events, based on the holidays, the wedding, baby, pregnancy, birthday, holiday, Halloween, Christmas, RSVP cards, enclosure cards, so on and so forth. Similarly, with the greeting cards, the personal stationeries, you could very well go deep into it, whatever kind of product you want to create, and you could do according to it. Similarly, the wedding is complete niche. I already talked about that. The clothing is accessories. If you're interested now, let me show you the t-shirts. You could see these are the niches. The funny is a niche. Photo, you could have a photo-based t-shirt because since we are creating a template, so people can replace the photograph that they have that you already uploaded on a t-shirt, and they can replace their own photograph as well. This is a cute, cool birthday, holiday, seasonal, vintage, and these are kind of like trademark. Don't go for that. Don't even try to attempt it because these are the companies who are already selling on the ZAZZLE. So these are the trademark. You don't need to go with them. Another thing you could see in the clothing and shoes were kind of popular. Same with the home and personal care. These is a separate niche. Same with the office and school. This is also a separate niche. You could see according to it, and you could see what's download. You could see the today's moment and all those kind of stuff. You could see every aspect of the ZAZZLE is giving you the ideas which you can hop up. You could also go over to the ideas and you could see the wedding ideas, gifting ideas, lifestyle ideas, and you can get an inspiration and finding a niche for you. Let me just take 1 hour of idea from that and we could go. I think we're gonna go with the gifting because this is a holiday season and people are always ready to send the gifts to their loved ones. Of a Christmas gift, whether you are shopping for him or her, so you are getting the ideas from that. You could click further, gift for couples, him, everyone, gifts for her, and you could further go inside it and find the right kind of niches and ideas if you are actually targeting with the gifts. If I go with the gifts with the couple and see what kind of niches and design ideas are popping up, you could just read about it. So you're getting the idea from here. You could see that these are the separate niches. Stripe kind of pattern are niches. Same here, stripe patterns, abstract patterns are also the niches. And you could very well read these blog articles and you can go much in the depth. This is the way. Now there are so many ways in which you can find the niches. Now I have shown you some of the ways to find the niches on a Zazzle. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know if you have any further doubt, any further question or comment related to Zazzle in the comment section below. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Have you ever tried this method of finding the niche, or this way of finding the method of niche is really helpful to you or not? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any further doubt regarding Zazzle, do let me know, guys. In fact, not about the Zazzle, about any print-on-demand website, or any website, or any online type of income as an artist, as a creative person. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll probably see whether if I can make a video on the topic, then I'm probably gonna make it. But thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.